Welcome to my home.
Thank you.
Please, sit.
Thank you. Just look at the way you sound as if this is my first time here.
We both know your visitation here has always been for my wife, but this is special to me because you're here for me.
I don't have much time to waste here. I only came here to thank you for the huge burden you lifted off my shoulders.
Come on, that's it's nothing. I mean, there's much more from where that came from.
Did you just call that huge amount of money nothing? No. That huge amount of money that I received without doing nothing, and you said nothing? Say something to me.
Listen, you see, there is much more from where that came from. If only you were said to be my good friend.
Sir. I don't understand what you're saying. I don't understand, please.
You know, I will make you understand.
Sir, please stop.
Listen, I'll give you much more than what I've given to you, okay?
Sir, please stop.
Listen,
stop.
relax, just relax.
Where are you?
Mama?
I'm
here.
My eye.
What happened? Wait.
Oh my God.
Mama, come here. What happened?
I don't know what fell off my eye.
Come this way. Come, wait. Let me see. Wait.
My eyes.
Your eyes. What happened to your eyes?
I don't know. Something fell into my eyes.
Wait. Mama, wait.
Oh my God.
Mama, wait. Let me see.
What are you doing? Touch my God. My own mother. Azubike!
What have I done?
What have you done? Azubike, you are kissing my mother. Hey! What do you mean what? No. I am asking you, what do you mean what? I just saw you kissing my own mother. My mother.
Angulika.
How?
Angulika, have you gone mad?
Chimo. Azubike.
Have you gone mad?
You are shameless. Okwagiwa, you will die a shameless man. Ah! Hey. Jesus. Hey. Hi. Where is she running to? Azubike. Where is she running to? Let it be known that she's going out to tell the world what she did not see.
Mama, she can't do that. What does that mean?
Azubike, if she tries that, it's better she did not do it. If she tries that, I will kill myself for her. My eyes. Oh my God. My eyes. Oh my God.
Thank you. How are you?
They're fine. It's just that anytime when you come out, hunger.
Monday you can eat. Monday, you love food.
What am I going to do now? But let me help you.
Oh, don't worry, I'll
Welcome, man.
Thank you.
Like they say, how you make your bed is how you lie on it. What you sow is what you reap. That's exactly what is happening to me. I am responsible for what is happening to me. I was looking out for myself, trying to please myself. Now I realize that there's no gain in causing all this pain. Oh, what a shame. Oh, now I have myself to blame, because all my efforts have been in vain. Now
I'm sorry. It's obvious you don't have anything to say. But I want to specially thank you, my dear friend, for finding time to come to my matrimonial home to have a taste of my husband. Thank you. You are such a fantastic friend. Even after advising me to leave him because he was cheating on me. You're such a special friend. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's not what you think, please. So, you tell me what it is. You were advising me to leave my husband so you can come in and take over. Now, take your things and leave. Take your things and leave. Really sorry. I am really sorry for putting you through this. I know you're a good man and you would never cheat on me.
But I cursed it. Because I stayed away for too long. I'm sorry. My love, please forgive me. Please. Please forgive me. Now, just tell me anything I can do, to make it up to you. Any kind of food you want me to cook, or let me just do something. Please. My love, please. I'm sorry. Just tell me the kind of food you want. See, I'm going to do anything. I'll do it.
Anything.
Anything. Any kind of food. Okay, I'll do it. I'm sorry. I'll be back. Please, I'm sorry.
Was that my husband?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is he going to?
I don't know. Maybe it's something way big past him, or him way big past Joshua.
Mama, listen. Please. Sorry. I apologize for the embarrassment. Okay? But don't leave us. Don't leave. And think of what people would say. They might say it is true. Mama, please. Mama, Biko, please.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You don't know what this means. Eh? How will I handle this kind of shame? What will I tell my husband and his people if they get to hear this?
Mama, nobody would hear. Okay, give me some time. I'll find a way to fix these problems. Please. Please.
Honestly, I am going to lay a curse on her. I will lay a curse on her if this spreads to the village.
Mama, it hasn't gotten to that. You can't lay a curse on her. She's your daughter. You can't lay a curse on your daughter, Mama.
I will. Yes, I will lay a curse on her. Now I know that Aurika is possessed by evil spirits.
Mama, I'm happy you can witness what I've been going through. I have decided not to divorce her. I would have brought her back to you.
Back to who?
To you.
To where? My house. I will pour hot water on both of you.
Mama, please, you won't do that. It's okay. Mama, wait. Mama, I don't want you to leave.
I'm leaving.
Mama, please.
I'm going back to my house. I am going back. I don't know that the person I called my own daughter can treat me like this in her house. I am going back.
Please, just help me call my husband. I have been calling him. He has refused to take my calls. Please.
If I may ask, are you having any problem with him?
Mr. Ben, you know I'll never have any problems with my husband. It's just that
I caught him doing something bad. And I'm very sure he expected me to react negatively, but I didn't. I didn't at all. Because I know that to err is human and to forgive is divine. So I already forgave him. But before I could come out from the kitchen, I heard him drive out. So I don't even know where he's going to.
Sorry. I want to ask you this question.
What?
Why do you easily forgive him when he errs?
Mr. Ben, that is not important right now. All I want now is for you to just call my husband before he goes far, please.
It's okay. It's okay.
Please, just call him.
Calm down. No, I'll bring him back, I'll bring him back. Just calm down. I know how to find him, Calm down. Don't overwork yourself.
No, I don't want him to go far.
Don't worry, he won't. Hello.
Hold on. Coming.
Chinwe, I'm finished.
What happened?
Chinwe, I am finished. Chinwe, I am finished.
Just calm down. Just sit down. Sit down. Put yourself together. What's the problem?
Chinwe, my deepest fear has started to play out.
What are you saying? What happened? Amuli. Put yourself together and talk to me.
You would not believe what my eyes saw today. Chinwe, my heart bleeds.
It's okay. Talk to me about it. Tell me what happened.
I saw what I never believed I would ever see in my life.
What did you see?
How did this happen to me?
Baby girl, just talk to me. What happened?
Okay. Chinwe. I saw my mother.
Your mother, what happened to her?
I saw my own mother kissing my husband.
Justin, what is this that you've done to yourself?
I don't know, man. I don't. All I know is I've just shot myself in the legs. This is the worst thing I've ever done in my life.
I mean, with her friend? That is ridiculous. I mean, it could wreck her heart, you know.
I know, bro. The most scariest part of it is that she doesn't even show it. This behavior of hers gets me scared.
So, what do you intend to do now?
I just want to run away. I just want to stay away for a long time. I can't face her, like hurting the woman that I love so much. I wish I could make amends.
Justin, I mean, running away will be counterproductive. It will hurt her the more.
See, I don't know if that's why she wants to kill me. I'm scared of my life. You see, she might just decide to wake up one night and pay me back for all the atrocities I've done to her. I'm scared.
Justin, I've never heard you, talk like this before.
It just occurred to me that all the things I've done to these women, if they decide to do it to me, come on, I've got feelings. I might decide to want to strangle them. I mean, it has not been fair. I've got feelings too.
You see, Justin, your wife is one of a kind. She's a limited edition. I mean, her type is rare. Just try and make things up with her, okay?
I wish I could.
You can.
She doesn't deserve me.
She does. Just have a change of leave, that's all. She's a nice woman.
She doesn't deserve me. She doesn't deserve me.
No. No. Angoli, I don't believe this. I don't. This is a very strong allegation against your mom. And you know she will not be happy if this turns out to be a lie. Does it look like I will lie against my own mother? Does it look like I will lie against the woman who birthed me? How would I do that? Chiwe, I saw them. I saw them with my eyes. I know what I saw. My own mother, the mother that gave birth to me. Manu. Amuli, just put yourself together. See, I don't want to doubt you. But you know your husband. You've been living with him. Okay, fine. If I may ask you, how did you meet your husband? Yes. This is the only way we can resolve this. How did you meet him? I didn't meet my husband in a good way. And that is the reason I have been so scared. Because I don't want to lose him. Same way I got him. It's okay. It's alright. Please just put yourself together. I don't want to lose my husband. You will not lose him. You will not lose him. Come here. You will not. Please.
Oh, so much shame. See what I've done to myself. See what I've done to myself.
You're not with him. Where is my husband? Where is he?
Calm down, okay? Calm down. I have seen him.
Here. Where is he? See, just take me to him. I just want to tell him that I bear no grudge against him. That I love him so much.
Your husband is afraid to see you. Yeah. Guilt will not let him see you right now.
Ben, please.
Stop. No.
Just do me this favor. Take me to wherever he is. I just want to tell him that I bear no grudge and I don't intend to harm him. Please.
Okay, I will take you to him, but on one condition.
What's the condition? Just say it and I'll do it.
Uju, why are you acting like this?
How?
You see, your husband is a man, and you know, normally when men offend their women, the ladies react. It's a natural thing. But in your own case, you don't react. And it gets him curious. I even feel curious too. He offends you, you're not angry. He cheats on you. You pretend as if nothing happens. That's noble. I mean, you hardly can find women like that. How do you manage to do this? Tell me, how do you manage to do it? You don't drive him, you don't... Well, You're limited if you ask me. You're a limited edition.
You see, I was once married. But out of my own carelessness, I lost it. When I saw the bull dancing on top of the river, I actually thought the water was playing with it. But I never knew it was taking it away.
Your husband told me you were a divorcee when he met you.
Yes. Honestly, I wish I knew what I know now. I wouldn't have left my former home. But you know, sometimes we fail to refine our decisions. At last, we find ourselves in a position where we wish we could turn back the hands of time. But by then, it would have been too late for us.
Can you elucidate further, please?
Uju, what is good about this evening?
I don't understand. What is it? What have I done again this time? Eh?
Uju, what is good about this evening? Have you gone out of your mind?
I don't understand. What have I done? What is it?
What have you not done? You leave this house without giving me attention. To you, I'm now a log of wood.
Honey.
Yes.
Honestly, I don't understand where all this is getting at. Have I for once referred to you as a log of wood?
When was the last time you spent time with me? No, tell me. You leave the kids under my custody? To you, I'm now a nanny. Oh yes. Let me tell you something. This whole thing is affecting my business and I won't take it anymore.
As you can see, I am really tired. Please, let's just talk about...
How dare you walk out on me? I'm still talking to you, Uju, and you're walking out on me. Have you lost your mind?
I don't understand.
I wasn't done talking to you.
And who are you? Who are you? Why do you always nag like a woman? Eh? Is it because I've been keeping quiet? What is your problem? No, tell me. What is your problem? Eh? Out there, other people appreciate me because of how industrious I am. But here you are. You don't even appreciate anything about me. And here you are telling me you're not done talking. What else do you have to say?
Ah.
Yes!
Okay. Okay, now I understand. Okay. So you prefer other people? No problem. I know what to do. No problem.
You're welcome. Hey! Thank you, man. Honey? Honey?
Uju, who's she?
Oh, I brought us a maid. You know, at least someone that will be helping us with some domestic chores.
Domestic chores?
Yes. Yoga. Good afternoon, sir.
Uju, are you serious?
I'm serious now. You know, since we are always both busy, it's only better that we get someone that will be helping us.
Uju, did you consult me before making that decision? Or you're just imposing things on me?
Honey, what are you saying? I'm doing this for the betterment of this family. So what are you saying?
Did you consult me?
I didn't need to consult you. I know we need a maid. So that's what I did. I don't know why you never accept anything I do in this house. I don't know again.
No, you can't make this. But Uju, you can't bring someone into our house without telling me first.
But we need someone to...
No! What happened what happened to your hands?
But you know I'm always busy. Please, she just came. Let's not do this. Let's not do this, please. In fact, come, let me show you to your room, please. Let's go. They vex. You know they vex. They go. They're going.
They show this Indian thing. These Indian people, they can't find. Hi! Sunita ne akwanadi. Welcome, sir. Good evening, sir.
Where are my kids?
I've put them to bed, sir. Hey. Sir, do you want anything, sir?
Where's my wife?
She's not yet back, sir.
What?
She's not yet back, sir.
She's not back?
No, sir.
At this time?
Yes, by this time, sir.
Please get me water to drink.
Oh. Welcome, ma.
Plenty wahala in some families today. Sometimes it's from the man or from the woman. Some women they get wahala. They will choose their career over their husband, and hand over the home to their housemates, and hand over Oga to their housemates. Some housemates they like a better thing, Before you know it, they will take over the home, take over Oga, begin service Oga. Hey, before you know, it will be too late for madam. Hey.
They know. We have different.
What do you want to do? What is all this?
I know what to do.
Where are you going to now?
I know what to do. No problem. Thank you very much.
What is your problem? Honey?
Hi.
What are you up to?
No, I'm just trying to settle something. What's up?
I'll be traveling to Abuja tomorrow for a work trip. It's just 2 weeks.
It's okay. Safe trip when you travel.
Just like that? Honey, you should be happy for me. Do you know how much they are going to pay me? 5 million naira.
Listen, stop trying to pull words out of my mouth. I said, have a safe trip when you travel. What have I said? What wrong have I said? I said, have a safe trip when you travel. I wish you good luck. I wish you everything good in life.
The way you're saying it is...
How am I saying it? You said, honey, I want to travel. I said, no problem. You can travel. You can stay 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months if you like.
I won't be bothered.
Madam, you called me.
Yes, please sit down. I'm Lika. I'll be traveling to Abuja tomorrow. Okay? So I need you to take care of the house. You know how Oga hates to see the house when it's dirty. So just try and do whatever you can to make sure it's clean. Okay?
Madam, that one you talk small. No worry. I go do I'll take care of everybody.
I trust you. One more thing. Please, make sure you feed my husband very well. You know how much he likes food.
Madam, just leave her. I know your husband best food. I know what I go prepare for her. He go like him.
One last thing. My children, please be very careful what you do in front of them. You know how they are. They like to emulate adults, whatever they are doing.
Madam, you no get wahala. Okay. No worry. I go take care of everybody. You no get problem at all.
Thank you.
And did you make you come?
Yes. And make sure you also take care of yourself.
Madam, me, I don't always take care of myself. I go feed everybody fat before you come back. I'm a fine, madam. Like you too fine. Oh, you fine like
oh, stop now.
Madam, you fine like 10 people.
It's okay. Thank you.
Go check my...
All right. This girl, I think I'm lucky to have her.
Plenty wahala in some families today. Sometimes it's from the man or from the woman.
Uju, you gave your fish to a hungry dog. What did you expect?
It was as if I handed over my home to her. But I could not believe my own husband could condescend so low as to sleeping with a common house help. How?
In the world of men, there is nothing like class when sex is involved. You see, when a man is in the heat of passion, any available woman around becomes the most beautiful in his eyes. You see why you need to satisfy your husband very well before you travel?
But I only left for a few weeks. Is that enough for him to quickly jump onto another woman? Is that?
Even if you had stayed for a year before coming back. You see, what keeps a man for you is when you satisfy him to the brim. But yeah, he may commit one or two things, but he will clean them up before you come. Well, a situation where you did not fulfill your conjugal rights, believe you me, he will jump on the available woman that same day you traveled. That is a man for you. Have this strong urge. See why you need to take care of the other room. The other room business. Very important.
Everything changed immediately she left.
This is the problem I have with so many working class women. They will break their husband and then leave him in the hands of the maid.
That is exactly what happened. Immediately she left, some unusual duties were added to my chores. This man wouldn't let me be.
I knew it. I knew it. How will you leave your spouse and travel when you know you two are not in good terms? By the time you get back, whatever you see, you take it.
Exactly. The moment she came back, she realized everything had changed. Things were no longer the same.
I wish I was there. I wish I was there to see the reactions on her face when she found out that the meat she kept carelessly have been taken by the dog.
Women get wild, they will choose their career over their husband, so and hand over the home to their housemates, and hand over Oga to their housemates. Some housemates they like a better thing, before you know it, they will take over the home, take over Oga, begin service Oga. Hey, before you know, it will be too late.
Wait, Oga! Hey! Oga! Hey! Oga. You know what? Let me take you,
Wait, I'm not drunk!
Okay.
I'm not.
Okay. But let me take you inside. Yeah? Let's go. Hey, Oga. Let's go. Small. Oga! Hey! Oga.
Why are you so afraid?
Okay. Oga, oh yeah. Let me take you inside the room.
I love you.
Ah!
You love me. We are.
Okay. Yes, we are happy family. Let's go.
Come around.
Just
Crossing trouble, making trouble in your home. Because of your guilt, open a maggie. You are gradually destroying your home. You are gradually disturbing your home.
Wait.
I just want you to lay on the
I'm
bed.
fine.
Are you sure you can take care of yourself?
Yes, I'm fine. I just had a little to drink. It's in the Bible, you must drink to, ease off the stress.
Okay, let me go and take care of them.
No, come. We have a lot to talk about.
Ha!
Come.
Okay.
Wait. Come now.
Okay.
Listen to me. Listen. I know I'm drunk, but I'm not usually like this. But there's something I wanted to tell you.
No, God, don't tell me. You would have told me this thing in the parlor.
Wait, come.
Oh, God.
Stay with me tonight.
This thing you want to tell me inside the room. You would have told me. Oh, God, you're on the bed.
Come now.
Oh, Madam will not be happy. Madam will not be happy.
Wait, listen.
Oh, God.
Wait now. Don't be scared.
Okay, I'm strong, sir. Okay.
I wanted to tell you something.
Okay.
Do you know you're a very fine girl?
How? I'm not fine, no.
Wait now. Wait. I'm always scared at night.
Huh?
I can't sleep alone.
Oga, me, I'm scared too.
No, you don't understand. I want you to stay with me this night.
Oga. Oga, that place your hand is going.
Wait,
it's not good though. It's not good though.
Listen to me. Why are you screaming?
Okay.
Calm down.
Okay.
Listen, come and sit here. Come now, just stay.
Oga, this thing you are doing is not good though.
Just don't move.
Oga, you are climbing into bed.
Wait.
Oga.
Wait.
Oga, this... Hey. Oga, you are carrying me on the bed.
Wait. Don't stop shouting.
Okay, I'm not shouting.
Just
Wait, Oga.
It'll be too late for Madame. Hey.
They know. We have different kinds of women. Some will love you too much, you go begin fear.
Some will worry you so much you go one disappear. All their actions is based on experience. Experience is the best teacher. Experience is the best teacher.
Former housemate and now madam of the household.
Hey,
why are you so afraid to allow any lady into your home?
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? How did you get in here?
Oh, guy, you were the one that said I should come and sleep with you here in the room. You said you used to be scared of sleeping alone at night, and
Me? Said you should sleep here.
Okay, it was you now. You shifted my pants and you entered now. You were the one who said I should sleep on the bed with you.
Did you do anything?
Okay, you tore my pants though. You tore my pants.
I tore your pants.
Yes, Oga.
Let me see.
Some will love you too much, you go begin fear.
Please leave this room before my kids wake up.
Oga, now you are chasing me out of the room, but you were the one that forced me inside this room. And you were the one
Are you out of your mind?
That begged me to shift my pants. You shifted my pants. Now you are begging me to. You are shouting at me.
Why are you talking about it? It's okay.
I'm going to tell Madam. I'll tell Madam when Madam comes back. I'll tell Madam. I'll tell her.
It's okay now. Come now, let's talk. Eh?
Nice, I want to wear my pants.
No,
so
wait. Listen to me. You don't have to tell my wife. Okay? I'll take care of you. Listen, how much do you want? I'll give you.
I don't want your money. I don't want your money.
And hold on and wait now. Listen, you don't have to tell my wife. Okay? I promise to take care of you. Just tell me anything you need. I promise I'll give it to you. But don't tell my wife, please. Okay? Eh? Please now. Wait. Don't talk to me now. Don't tell my wife. Please. Huh?
There is too much drama in some homes today. Plenty wahala in some families today. Sometimes it's from
Okay, you don't want to use the fan. Huh? You don't want to use the fan, though?
Huh?
You don't want to use the fan? The fan is not okay. Okay, the AC is on.
Yeah, it is. The AC is on.
I forgot. Is there anything you need for me to do that?
Are you not going to church today?
Okay, I just dressed up the kids. I'm still dressing them up. By the time you are done, we'll leave for church together.
Okay, that's fine.
Are you not going to church?
No. I don't feel like going today. I just want to stay home and rest.
Oh,
I need to get some rest.
Okay, you need to. Sorry.
Someone love you too much, you go begin fear. Someone worry you so much, you go one disappear.
Okay.
All their actions is based on experience. Experience is the best teacher.
Sorry.
Sorry, don't come. Let me get something.
Okay, you're good.
Are you afraid that what you did to another woman will be done to you? Oh, because life is somehow what goes around will come around. Now you are going around causing trouble, making trouble in your home. Because of your guilt, open a Maggie. You are gradually destroying your home. You are gradually disturbing your home.
They know. We have different kinds of women.
Hey.
Some
will love you too much, you go begin fear. You go begin fear. Some will worry you so much, you go one disappear. You go one disappear. All their actions is based on experience. Experience is the best teacher. 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 We have different kinds of women. Some will love you too much, you go begin fear. You go begin fear. Some will worry you so much, you go one disappear. You go one disappear. All their actions is based on experience. Experience is the best teacher.
Oh, okay.
What are you still doing here?
I've dropped the kids at the church, so I decided to come back home.
Ah, but were you not supposed to stay in church after dropping the kids? What are you doing here?
What will I be doing in church when you are all alone in the house? Okay.
Are you sure about that?
Oga. Hi, Oga. My womb shifter.
Hey.
My pants mover. My kangaroo.
Hey.
My ostrich. My elephant. I brought you juice. Juice ukaraka. So that you can be strong for me tonight. Yes, Oga. Drink them. I need you to
Let
be.
me ask you. It looks like you want some more.
Oga, now that's why you talk small.
Hey.
Oga, I am ready for you tonight.
You're ready.
Very ready.
How ready are you?
Oga?
How ready are you?
Oga, you see the position when I did. You see the position. This man, you be bad man. Hey! Oga, you too like Martino.
I'm thinking we should go out. Let's go somewhere.
Good night. Now. Welcome, ma. Welcome.
Uju? Honey, I wasn't expecting to see you. I thought you said you were going. How are you?
I need to talk to you.
Huh?
She dey vex? Kana wahala biti so. A big wahala biti. No go drink your juice.
Hey, babe. Are you okay? Are you still going for the business meeting? Are you done with it?
I know you can't wait for me to go back. Because I can see you're already enjoying yourself.
How do you mean? What are you talking about?
What are you doing with Amule? A common maid. What are you doing with her?
Uju, I remember telling you that I don't need a maid. I told you because I knew one day you're going to use it against me. Yes!
You want to turn it around, right? Now you want to turn it around. Let me even ask you, why do you always blame me for everything you don't do right? Why? Instead of you to at least try to defend yourself, you now turn it around to make it look as if I'm the guilty one here. Why? Why do you do that?
Uju, can you stop nagging?
Oh, I'm nagging.
For once in your life, can you stop nagging?
I am nagging.
Yes, you are. Other women come back home to share their work experiences with their husband. But what do? You come back home to fight. That's all you do. Fight, fight, fight. Can you do something else?
Would you? Nagging?
Yes. You nag a lot and it's becoming unbearable. Ha!
No Jupiter will make me go back to that house. For him...
Would you please?
Mama, for him to sleep with my maid on my matrimonial home and even got her pregnant. Do you even know what that means? It's a slap on my face. It's over between us.
Don't make your decision that rigid, because you don't know how deep the future can be. Please.
Mama, no matter how deep that future is, I am not ready to be in it with someone this careless and callous.